Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting both devices ready. Update iPhone and your HP so protocols match, because mismatched software often blocks mirroring. Connect the iPhone and laptop to the same Wi-Fi band. This ensures low latency. Turn on Bluetooth and location on the iPhone so discovery works when apps require it. Once done, choose your method: native Miracast if supported, or an AirPlay receiver app on Windows. That decision guides the next steps, so pick now and proceed. Now configure the receiving side on the HP. If your laptop supports Miracast, enable projecting to this PC in Settings, set security to available everywhere or first time only, and allow required permissions. If using AirPlay, install and run an AirPlay receiver app, name the receiver and accept network or firewall prompts. Make sure the app shows as ready. You do this because the phone needs a visible target. Without it, the iPhone screen mirroring list will remain empty. To begin, swipe to open Control Center on the iPhone, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick the HP receiver name you created. You'll see the iPhone screen appear on the laptop. Adjust orientation or scaling in the receiver app if text looks small. For audio, select the laptop in iPhone Output or in the app settings. If it fails, restart both devices, disable VPNs or strict firewalls, or fall back to a Lightning to HDMI adapter. That wired path by.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.